I mean, I don't think we would be where we are now if we hadn't gone to events. And, you know, I'll be honest, I'm one for going up and just talking to people, and, you know, even people you think might not want to talk to you. I think actually meeting someone, hearing their passion firsthand is infectious. And we've, you know, our other strategic partners, it's the same thing. You know, we've talked to people at events, got inspired ourselves. We've tried things, some things work, some things don't work. But I think that's the bit about being pioneering, isn't it? You try things and you accept that, you know, some of it will work, some of it won't work, but you can't be afraid to try. And the same thing applies. You can't be afraid to go up to somebody and say, I really like what you had to say, can we have a coffee? They might say no, but, you know, my experience of it is they don't, because actually not very many people ask.
I suppose the pivotal moment for us in changing the whole direction of our business was trusting in the younger team members around us that were brought up with the technology. And a lot of people have a lot of problems with that. For us, that was pivotal. That changed the whole, quite dramatically as well, the whole focus, the whole reason for the business. And I think that my one tip, being, you know, an old grey hair and what have you, is trust the guys. If you can't, you don't have to be able to do it yourself. You have to have an awareness of it, but trust the people around you to push you into that space.